Hey everybody, we're going to be recreating this quick little HTML page. The entire code was written with Chat GPT, so we're going to be using Chat GPT. I know it's simple, but I'm not very good at HTML, so we'll both be learning together. It's somewhat responsive. These boxes don't grow, but I think it's pretty cool. Nice little practice. Here is the code it wrote, entirely written in ChatGPT. I think added these height values. That's it, and changed the colors. So other than that, yeah, it actually even created these explanations as well for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So let's begin. We're going to use ChatGPT, like I said. So we have the icon.png file and then the hero.png. Let me just show you. We have these two images. These are images I used for two other videos I made. I'll put the link in the description to those videos if you'd like to see them. So we have the icon PNG and hero.png, right? So we're going to mention it. We say HTML page with a, let's say, 150 pixel high menu area. I'm not sure. I think it's called a header, right? In this area, the icon.png centered vertically and horizontally inside the header. Let's say under the image, there will be text echo hive, again centered the same way. Text is 50 pixels, 50 pixels font, 50 size font, and dark gray. Let's just start with this, see what happens. Okay, it wrote us some code. Actually, just give us, oh yeah, okay, and some CSS styling. Let's see what happens if we use this. Oh, and yeah, without a header or body tag. I'm just going to say, give me the full HTML. Okay. No, I just wanted to say I accidentally came to the web page and it actually did put it up. See, the thing is that I'm running in VS Code, I'm running the live server. You can actually install it. Where is it? Oh yeah, it's this one, live server. When you're playing around with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, this is just great. It starts a live server, and every time you save your document, it updates it on the web page. Anyway, it wrote us a full HTML. And as soon as I save it, let me demonstrate here. Let's do like this, side by side. And as soon as I save it, it should update, but it's actually the exact same thing. But if we were to change something here, for example, if we were to change the color to red for the text, and when we save it, oh, sorry, I did not change it. Here we go. When we save it, oh, okay, I just realized something. See, it does change the color when I do it here. Save it. Oh, here we go. Yeah, sorry about that. I don't know what was going on. If I change it to blue and save it, it updates automatically. Okay, so that's that. Let's add the image, large image underneath it, and also add some more stuff. Okay, I said make the header background light pinkish red, right? The background that's going to be behind the image, this little icon image and the echo hive. And then I said, add the hero.png image under the header. Width of hero should be the same as the browser, and it should resize. Let's see if we can do it. Okay, it wrote us the document, HTML document. Let's try it. And when we save, let's see. Okay, perfect. Let's see if it resizes. Yeah, there we go. It added a light pink. We can change the color of this ourselves. And then let's now add, what do we have? We had three sections underneath here, right? HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now let's try to do that. So for that, I'm going to say under the hero image, let's have three blocks. Let's say three side by side colorful blocks, divs, I guess, right? Inside each one will be a title, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The divs will be side by side. Let's reiterate. Will resize. Also title. Say under the title, write a brief description of each. The boxes, let's say, will be 200 pixels tall. Let's see. Okay, it's right at the part. It's writing the div blocks. So check it out. It's actually writing the description itself. Pretty cool. CSS cascading style sheet is a style sheet language used for describing the look and formatting. And actually put an H2 saying CSS. See, here we go. It's for title. Okay, this should do it. Well, we'll find out. And as soon as I save it, it should update. Oh, here we go. Wow. He did not put it side by side, even though we said it twice. Well, let's say the boxes for HTML, CSS, and JS are not side by side. Make sure they display right next to one another. Okay, it's going to update it. I hope you're enjoying these videos. Please let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions. If you like the videos with without me talking, with music, or if you enjoy more of these explanatory videos where I try to explain the things myself. And also please like and subscribe for the future videos, and hopefully I'll be making more of these. I really enjoy making them. I get to learn a lot while doing them, and I hope you are finding them useful as well. Okay, it's almost done. Should put it in a larger div, I believe, and it's not doing that. I don't know if this is gonna work. I believe that's what it did earlier, last time, I mean, when I was showing you, yeah. Save it. Oh yeah, okay, no, it did. Okay. Right on. So this is it. Oh, well, look. And actually this time the boxes are resizing along with the window. This is awesome. I'm happy to have made this video. Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.